Have you ever looked down at your feet and asked yourself, why am I wearing something this ugly? The Crocs you're wearing right now, soft and incredibly light, were once rejected by the world and called a fashion disaster that many people wanted to disappear. Yet today, those same shoes have become a global trend with millions of pairs sold every year. They look simple, almost like they are made from soft foam, completely different from traditional leather or rubber shoes. But behind that simple appearance is a tightly controlled industrial process. So what really turned a shoe once called ugly into something people want to wear every single day? Subscribing to Built Bazaar is the only way to uncover the hidden secrets behind the production of these controversial shoes. Crocs began in 2002 when three friends introduced a simple foam clog at a boat show in Florida. The original design was meant for boating with a slip-resistant sole and lightweight structure that would not sink in water. What made it different was the material. Instead of leather or rubber, Crocs used a closed-cell resin foam that was soft, odor-resistant, and easy to clean. This material, later known as Croslite, quickly became the brand's signature feature. At first, many people rejected the design. The bulky shape and bright colors did not match traditional fashion standards, and critics called them one of the ugliest shoes ever made. Yet at the same time, workers in hospitals, kitchens, and warehouses began to rely on them for long hours on their feet. By the late 2000s, Crocs had sold tens of millions of pairs worldwide. Today, the brand produces hundreds of millions of shoes each year, reaching customers in more than 90 countries. The process begins with a proprietary material called Croslite, the foundation of every Crocs shoe. These pellets are fed into industrial heaters that operate at temperatures between 180 degrees Celsius and 220 degrees Celsius. As heat builds up, the solid pellets slowly melt into a thick, flowing liquid that can be shaped with precision. At this stage, chemical blowing agents are added into the mixture to prepare the foam structure. These agents react under heat and pressure, creating tiny gas bubbles that will later form the lightweight body of the shoe. Each machine can process hundreds of kilograms of material per hour, ensuring a continuous flow for mass production. The entire system is automated with sensors monitoring temperature and viscosity in real time. The heated liquid is injected directly into steel molds designed to form the shape of each Croc. Once inside the mold, the blowing agents activate and expand rapidly, creating a foam structure filled with microscopic air pockets. This expansion happens in just a few minutes, turning the liquid into a soft yet durable form. When the mold opens, the shoe is still warm and slightly flexible, showing its final shape for the first time. It already looks like a Croc, but the surface is rough and unfinished. At this stage, each molded Crocs clog is carefully trimmed to remove excess material. Thin lines of overflow, often less than 1 millimeter thick, form around the edges where the mold halves meet. Workers follow the natural contour of the shoe, cutting away these unwanted edges with steady, controlled motion. The shoes are then transferred to a drilling system where multiple rotating bits create the signature holes. These machines can drill dozens of holes in just a few seconds, with each position carefully calculated for airflow and strength. A standard Croc design includes around 13 holes on the top, along with additional vents on the sides. Straps are attached and the shoes undergo a final inspection. From raw materials to a finished masterpiece, that is the bizarre world of manufacturing. If you enjoyed this deep dive, drop a like and share this video with that one friend who always asks, how does that work? To join the Built Bazaar community, hit subscribe and toggle that bell icon. I'll see you in the next one.